write all the other trigonometric ratios in terms of sec A. So I'll show you the power of trig table. It makes the job much easier. So first thing is we'll write the main three trigonometric ratios and below that their multiplicative inverse. So when we divide sine and cos, we'll get tan. Cosec and sec, we'll get cot. And sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. So these are your three trigonometric ratios, right? So with this in mind, we'll start the answer. So the very first thing that we can relate is cos and sec, right? So we'll start with expressing cos A in terms of sec A. So cos A is 1 by sec A. That's it. Then next is expressing tan and sec because they are already related now. Tan A divided by sec A. So we have tan square A plus 1 is equal to secant square A. Tan A is equal to square root of secant square A minus 1. Quite simple, right? Then next is what do you guys want to do? Send me the energy so that I can feel, and everyone wants to go with sine. Okay, we go with sine. Most. So expressing sine A in terms of sec A. So how is sine related? Sine is related to cos and cos is related to sec. So this is the link. But how is sine and cos related? We can't go with complementary angles. We will go with identities. So sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. But cos A is 1 by sec A, is it not? So we have 1 by 1 sine sec square secant square A is equal to 1. So we have sine square A is equal to 1 minus 1 by secant square A. So now we just have to do a bit of math. So secant square sine square A is equal to secant square A minus 1 divided by secant square A. We have to take the square root and stuff. So we have sin A is equal to square root of secant square A minus 1 divided by secant A. Done. Okay, so we're done with this, and tan. So obviously, not too far, cot and cosec are related to sine, and sine we got an expression, cot tan also we got an expression. So relating to cot is not a big deal. So we'll just go with cosec A. So expressing cosecant A in terms of secant A. How? Cosecant A is related to sin A, sin is related to cos A, cos is related to sec A. So this is the way we will take. I'll write the entire thing again. Even though we got an expression for sin A in terms of sec A, I'll go the entire way, right? So first thing is we know that cosecant A is 1 by sin A. I'll call this as equation A. Okay. The next thing is we have what is that we have? Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So sin square A is equal to 1 minus 1 by secant square A. So I'm directly writing the expression sin A is equal to square root of secant square A minus 1 divided by secant A. Right. If I substitute it in equation A, we got an expression for cosec A, that's all. Therefore, cosecant A is equal to secant A divided by square root of secant square A minus 1. Right? And last we have cot, expressing cot A in terms of secant A. So first thing is cot A is related to tan A as inverse of each other, and tan A is related to secant A. So that also we need to rewrite. Again, it's just for practice sake. Secant square A. So tan A is equal to, directly we can write. If you're good at math, it's okay to write this way. Not at all an issue. And we'll tell this is substituting in A. So we can tell we'll substitute it in B. Sub NP, we have cot of A is equal to 1 by square root of secant square A minus 1. And this is your entirety. Okay. So we have 5 trigonometric ratios that had to be related to secant A, and we have done it. If you are able to understand this question and one more question which was similar to this, you are done with trigonometry. Literally. I mean, all of this will help you in your high grades also, and this academic year as well. Okay, so pause and try to do it on your own, and then verify with my note, right? Verify with what I have done.